wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hey girl, how are you? Welcome to another video today, you guys. So it is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Today it is what is today's date? I'm not sure what today's date is, but I know that today is Friday. And I have some news to bring to you guys. And excuse me. And I know you guys are just gonna be like, Catrea, again. I told my TikTok family the other day, whenever it officially happened, whenever I let them know what I had going on, I let them know. And y'all, one of my loyal, very consistent supporters was like, again, and all I could do was laugh because, yeah, again, yeah, again. So y'all, I quit my job again. Listen, y'all, I am in a space and a place in my life where my time and everything else, my time and my entire existence, it matters and it means something to me. With that being said, yeah, I don't know where I'm at. At no point in time will that be taken for granted. What that means is, when I say it will not be taken for granted, I will not be disrespected. I will not be belittled. I will not be devalued at all. And what I am discovering with age is how much I appreciate and value my time and the things that I invest my energy into. And the more that becomes important to me, I continue to look at things in a different light. So things that people used to be able to get away with when it comes to me, they no longer can. And furthermore, I have so much more purpose outside of the four walls of someone's establishment than to take the bull crap that comes with it. And yeah, so your girl quit her job with no job and nothing basically planned, essentially. So I am basically starting over. It wasn't anything that I had time to plan for. Oh my God. It wasn't anything that I had time to think about. I had said several times over the last few weeks that I was ready to quit that job because it was really no benefit for me. My supervisor was a complete idiot, disrespectful person when it comes to dealing with people, professionalism, and knowing how to appropriately communicate with her subordinates. She was a complete disaster. We work in a society where there are so many biased individuals. There are so many corrupt systems, just like the government here. I mean, it starts from the top. And whenever you speak the truth and you stand for what's right, then you become the villain and the bad guy, and then out you go. So yeah, I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I turned my keys in. They tried to have a meeting with me, which was a complete waste of time. The next day, they asked me to come in for a meeting. Just foolishness. It's foolish. So this all happened officially yesterday. Was the official I'm done with the whole situation. It's cut, it's ended, it's over. And you know, right now what I'm looking for is work that will allow me a little bit more quality of life, because there are things that I'm trying to work on for me. So yeah, that is it. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video. Maybe I will. Hi, you guys. I have been sitting at this lake for hours, but I got a lot done today and I'm so happy. Like, I vlogged, I edited, thumbnail done. I feel good. Y'all know sometimes you get into that mental fog, like that freeze state of mind, and you're having a hard time getting things done, like you're not motivated. You just feel, I've been feeling like that for a long time. And today has been so peaceful. Like, so peaceful. I just sat in nature, like all the green trees around me, like the sun is going down. Like, this has done so much for me, y'all. So my video has exported to my laptop, so now I am going to go ahead and try to upload it to YouTube. And I'm excited. So, of course, like I said earlier, by the time you guys see the video that I'm uploading, by the time you see this video, you would have already seen the one that I'm uploading. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this last bit of editing or uploading stuff done, and then I'm gonna head home because, y'all, it is 6:02. Like, the day has passed us by. So I'll see y'all when I get home.
I will get past, it's not so bad. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't gotta question it, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, cause I got you. Ooh, oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear?
JP.
That is hilarious. Hey guys, and happy Monday. So it is let's see, this is 10:44. So it is 10:44 and I am on my way to an interview this morning. Before we get too far into the vlog, for those of you that are new here, hi, my name is Catreayoung and welcome. And for those of you that are my lovely returning subscribers, thanks for tuning in for yet another video. If you have not already, make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified each and every time that I drop a video. So, we are on the way to an interview. This interview is at a preschool. So it's at a preschool. May have taken a long time, but that's okay.
Head north toward exit 293B, then use the left lane to take the ramp to I-40. Use the left lane to take the ramp to I-40, then use the left lane to take the ramp to I-40. Use the left lane to take the ramp to I-40.
I'm kind of confused.
1.5 miles. Take exit 290 for North Carolina 54 toward Cary.
Okay, so this is for a preschool. For this particular preschool, they have, like, I've applied to this preschool multiple times. I just never made it this far in the process because the interview, like the process to get a interview like at the location, it is such, it's a lot. Like, it's a whole lot. But and I mean, it's good because I guess what they're doing is they basically vet the people who are, they vet through their resumes and stuff. So they filter through it, you know, I guess get interviewed twice before you actually go into the center that you are applying to. Okay, friends, so I just had to do like a crazy U-turn just now, like weird, but okay. So like I said, I've been trying to like at least get an interview in this place for a while, and the benefits here are really good. Whenever I'm about to go for an interview, I don't like to get too excited because yeah, it's just like a mind thing for me. Like, I have to just protect my mind and my energy from any type
In a
of
quarter mile, turn
disappointment.
left onto Corporate Center Drive.
I'm 1 minute away from here. So, I just try to keep my energy just real, just subtle with it. Nothing too crazy. Is this like...
At the right, turn left onto Corporate Center Drive.
Okay, so I'm kind of familiar with this area a little bit. My best friend used to live over here whenever she first moved out here. But yeah, I just try to relax and not get too into it until I know that I
In
officially
1,000 feet, turn right.
have the job. So once I park, I will call y'all right back. Okay, so we're here. And yeah, so I just try to relax. You know, this morning I got up, I said my prayer, when I was in the shower. And like I told you guys in the last vlog, whatever God's plan is for me is all that I want for me. And what I realize is right now in this space, in this journey that I am existing in, like, I really just want to do what God wants for me, because y'all, I constantly find myself going through the same cycles. Like, whenever I take control over my life and like I get scared and like fear just creeps in, fear always gets the best of me and puts me in situations that I'm not okay with. You know, instead of me trusting God and believing Him and knowing that He is my provider, He is my protector, He is my way maker, and like not just saying it, but honestly just like trusting and believing and knowing that He is omnipresent and He will, He can, He does always come through for me. I tend to take things into my own hands, and then I find myself in situations that I'm not comfortable with and stuff that I'm just completely not okay with, and then I have to bail myself out and fix it, you know, over and over and over again. And honestly, like, I'm so sick and tired of like going through the same stuff, like seriously, in this area of my life. You know, I feel like I keep pushing myself away from things that are for me. But y'all, I have 3 minutes. I'm about to go in here. I'll tell y'all how it goes when I come out. Love y'all. So y'all, I'm at Panera. Hold on.
Thank you for choosing Panera. This is John. Do you have a My Panera card?
No sir, just one moment please.
Hi, sure. Just start talking when you're ready.
Thank you. Can I have the barbecue chicken smokehouse whole sandwich?
Sure. Would you prefer chips, apple, or bread for the side on that?
Chips is fine.
All right.
And then if I can also
Oh,
have...
sorry, I hit the wrong button. Give me 1 second.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Smokehouse with chips. May I get you a drink with that as well?
I just want to do a strawberry banana smoothie.
Unfortunately, we were short on our bananas today. I can do the strawberry smoothie if you like, or a mango smoothie.
I will do the strawberry smoothie.
Strawberry smoothie, very good. What else can I get for you?
And can I have a cup of the Mexican corn chowder soup?
You said the cup size, correct?
Yes.
And would you prefer chips, apple, or bread for the side on that?
Chips is fine.
Chips, very good. What else can I get for you?
That's it. Thank you.
All right, it tells me 24.22 at the window.
Thank you.
Turn left onto North Carolina 54 West.
Okay, y'all, so don't let me be rude. Don't let me be rude. First of all, good morning. It is 10:25. I have someplace to be in 5 minutes, but I'm going to be 6 minutes late. However, I've already reached out to the location to let them know that I'll be running a couple minutes late. But y'all, we are en route. It looks like I'm in the same area I drove to yesterday for my interview. I have another interview tomorrow. This interview
Continue on North Carolina 54 West for 1 mile.
This interview is the one for tomorrow is with like ABA therapy, which I've done before, but I didn't get certified. So I am on my way to this interview that I'm going to today, which is another preschool. I have seen this school before when I used to work in this area, but you know, we're going to check them out. Today's outfit, you guys, is of course not sponsored. Hopefully one day, but right now I bought this with my own coin and it was on sale. So it was a regular $27.97 or $98, but I got it on sale for $17.50 from Walmart. So this dress is really cute.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Carolina 54, Northeast Maynard
It can
Road.
be very versatile. Like, you know, you can dress it up or dress it down. You can even make it cute. Like, you can make it date night appropriate, I think. Or, you know, you could wear it to church or wear it to an interview.
At the light, turn right onto North Carolina 54,
But I did
Northeast Maynard Road.
I did upload a outfit of the day to TikTok, and I plan on uploading one here on YouTube, so you guys will have already seen this outfit way before you get this video.
Continue on North Carolina 54 for 2 miles.
So today I really don't know like how I feel. Like, y'all, like, okay, so I've been officially unemployed since Wednesday. So today is Tuesday. So tomorrow will actually make like an official week of me not working, and you know, just going on different interviews and stuff and seeing what is out there for me, if anything. Or I know there's something. Let me take that back. I know that there is something out there for me that suits my lifestyle and my availability. And it's not like I don't have kids, but the jobs that I'm trying to go for right now, like, I'm going for these jobs for specific reasons, you know, like, I'm trying to go back to school. I'm about to be married. So, you know, like, I need to have some sort of quality of life outside of me just punching in on somebody's clock. You know, like, I can't pursue my own personal goals and pursue my own dreams if I'm not aligning my life. And so many times I have lived in survival, you know, like, just really been living in survival mode and always doing what I have to do because I'm afraid of losing everything. So right now I'm trying to deprogram myself, if that makes sense, if I even use the right terms. But I'm trying to get out of that headspace. Like, the only way I can consistently do social media, like, which is something that I really love doing, is if I have more availability. So me having more availability, I need to do something that's going to set me up and put me in position to be able to do those said things. It's hard being in the work, looking for a job in your 30s, because it's so much more that goes into the process, so much more for you to consider at this phase in your life than what it would look like if I was younger. You know, like, it's just so much more to it. Why does it seem like this light is hecka long? Y'all, I have this cute purse that I got from It's Fashion last year that I'm wearing today, and I wore this purse yesterday too. And of course I got my earrings from It's Fashion, I'm tripping, Rainbow. I got my purse from Rainbow. I got my purse from Rainbow, and then I have my purse from Rainbow, and earrings are from the beauty supply store across the street from my house. Y'all, I do not wear real earrings. I'm sorry. Call me crazy, whatever. But girl, I just be buying a whole bunch of like random earrings from wherever I see some cute ones at. So.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Northwest Maynard Road.
Alright, y'all, so I am getting closer to my destination. I will let you guys know how it goes.
Continue straight onto Northwest Maynard Road.
Once I am out of the building. Okay, guys. So I'm on 26 miles of gas right now. So lunch today, we have Chipotle. So I told y'all I was gonna come back. Napkins. told you guys I was gonna come back and talk to y'all about how the interview went. So the interview went great. As expected. So y'all, this is what we're having for lunch. In this bowl, this is sour cream, cheese, corn, veggies, El Pastor chicken, and white rice. And then I do have a drink. So everything went good. The lady was nice. It looks like this school is going through like a transition. So with the school going through a transition, you know, they're basically just trying to staff up or whatever. So that is what happened there. I should get an offer letter on Thursday. Even though I'm gonna get an offer letter on Thursday, I still have other interviews. I did pray and ask the Lord to allow me to have options. So this is God looking out for me as he always does. Okay, so but I'm grateful that I'm not leaving there feeling like it was a complete waste of time. So
it's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't gotta question it, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh, my, what a sacrifice. She really suffered process. I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within. I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process. I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within. I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside. Precious gift from the Lord. Oh, it changed my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah. All because I got you. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh.
Good morning. How are you guys? Hopefully you guys are doing well and feeling great. Happy Thursday. Y'all, it is, I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my watch on. It's a little before 10 right now. I am actually on my way to the doctor office. I do have a couple of documents that I need to get filled out before I start or possibly start any of these jobs. Y'all, I'm sorry. I know I got some lip gloss stuff in here, or do I not have lip gloss in here? I don't know. Maybe not. Do I have any lip gloss in my purse? So y'all, it's just been a busy week. It's been a busy week. I have been on interview after interview, received 2 offers. I'm currently in the background phase of the 2 offers that I have received. What I normally do whenever I get an offer is I go ahead and I accept both of them. And one of the jobs, they pay more. So yeah, they pay more. So but I accepted both of them, and then what I'm gonna do is once the background checks come back, and whichever process is more easier for what I need, then I just kind of go with it. So that's my method.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the ramp to Benson.
Y'all, ain't no way I don't have no lip gloss with me. And I know y'all looking at me like, Katria, you don't even need no lip gloss. But y'all know, like, I'm one of those people who will put on so much lip gloss.
Turn right onto the ramp to Benson, then merge onto I-40 East.
This morning, I had my second interview for this remote company. It's a really good opportunity, honestly. Like, the only qualm that I have with this particular company, y'all, is that it said it's seasonal. And then when I was talking to the recruiter, and I was also speaking
Continue
with
on I-40 East for 2 miles.
I was also speaking with the lady who actually did my interview this morning, and you know, she talks about how there is opportunity for you know what, we're gonna ignore the devil this morning. She talked to me about how there is opportunity for permanent positions once the seasonal work is over. The job starts in June and the job ends December the 7th. So let's see, June, July, August, June, July. So it's 7 months of working with them. They get you licensed in your state to sell Medicare, and then you make a whole lot of commission.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly
They
left
give you
on
a whole lot of. They
I-440
give you.
I-87. Signs
They
for Rocky
personally give you like almost $5,000 just off of them, which is amazing. But okay. But anyways, the opportunity.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left.
I really like the
west,
opportunity. I just wish that it was more of a permanent position. If it was a permanent position, like it would
Continue
be
on I-440 west
the perfect one for me. So, but I'm still going to go through the interview process, and I'm still going to complete all the necessary steps, just because you never know. You never, ever, ever know. So I did that this morning, and then I think today I have a phone interview. I believe I have a phone interview with another work from home company, first interview. And yeah, so I'm still going on my interviews. I'm still doing what it is that I need to do until I actually confirm something specifically for me. But I'm in a good headspace today. Like, I don't feel any stress, or I don't feel any anxiety. Like, I feel pretty at ease for the most part, if I can say so for myself. You know, again, like going through like transitions and changes in your life, and the more I put in my head that we are going to continue to trust the will of God, and you know, just allow Him to lead and guide me in this journey. I think the easier the transition becomes, and the more relaxed my brain can be. I'm not waking up feeling like, oh my God, I have to do X, Y, Z, ABC. You know, I still have a wedding in September that I am trying to plan, y'all. The crazy thing is I'm still waiting on my dress so I can do my photo shoot for my official engagement, you guys. Like, I've already paid the photographer to do that, but you guys, I'm waiting on the dress. It's just little things. I'm just like, you know what, Lord, I will not allow these things to stress me out. Like, I'm not going to let these situations like take away from what the bigger picture is for me, and that is that I am about to marry like the greatest guy for me in the world. You know, like in the last couple of days, I try not to overshare on my personal life, like, which includes my fiance. Like, I try not to overshare with him because I really haven't, like, introduced him completely to the channel. But, like, yeah. So, we're good. We're good today. I'm going to this doctor office. I'm going to use my health insurance from my old job. God is good. Before they try to cut me off. Because y'all know how they be. But since they have one more check to provide me, I'm still going to use my health insurance. Why not? So after that, I am going to go to the grocery store because I need to find something to cook for dinner tonight. Last night we ended up having Chinese food. The night before we ended up having leftovers from the previous day. So I'm going to cook something. I just don't know what I'm making yet, but I'll figure something out. I'm about 10 minutes away from the doctor's office. They asked me to be there at 10 o'clock for the appointment at 10:20, but I'll get there like 10:10. And after that, I don't have any like crazy plans for today. Studying for my property exam and
in 2 miles, take exit AC for 6 Forks Road North toward North Hills.
Studying for my property exam today, like I did yesterday, and just cooking. I need to clean the kitchen, wash a couple dishes and stuff like that. So everything else in the house is done. Check and see if Mikkel got any laundry that needs to be done. That's it, you guys. So I guess I'll check back in with y'all